This PC, it's we use this item or icon to see content and image in your files. Um, this is this PC. This PC here is where you manage your files and folders, everything that is in your computer, the ones that are located in your desktop, your document, your pictures, your music, everything. This is where everything concerning your computer is located. Um, in Windows 7, you might not see this PC. What you will see is my computer in Windows 7, my computer. Then if you come to Windows 8, what you will see is computer. But in Windows 10 and 11, you will see this PC. You for sure see this PC. Then we have network. We is where you see all connections that are connected to your computer, or things that are connected to your computer. So that's all about your network. Then in 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 all the windows, it is also known as network. In all of the windows, it is known as network. We have our recycle bin. Also in all the windows, you also know these two as network and recycle bin. You also see them there. And we have control panel. Our control panel, which is this. In window, this is our control panel. In window 7, you only see control panel. In Windows 7, you don't see settings. You don't see these settings here. You don't see it. It's only control panel. But in Windows 10 and 11, you see both control panel and settings. While in Windows 7 and 8, its control panel is mostly common there. Is where we set things about our computer. We adjust. Maybe if we want our computer to be showing this picture or this one, or we want to add password or anything, you go to your control panel. You can also go to your settings. Both are actually the same, but your settings is more advanced and more higher than your control panel. Then we have your user folder or document. Your user folder or document contains the name of your system. This is HP. Is the name of the system. So it contains documents, downloads, games that you saved in your computer. Then we move to how to set up a screensaver or a lock screen. How to set up a screensaver or a lock screen. So first of all, we right click on an empty space. Right click on an empty space. We click on personalize. Once we click on personalize, we go to the lock screen tab, which is beside here. Our lock screen tab. We click on it, then it will appear here. So this is actually the picture that if you lock your screen and on it again, this is the picture that you see. So let's say we change it to this one, then we go back. If you see it did not appear here, yes, because it is different from this one. So in back. So this is how you can set your screen saver or your lock screen. Then you can change your desktop background. Can change your desktop background. So if how you can change your desktop background is you right click on an empty space, click on personalize. We're already in background. This is about our background. So you see, you can click any of the pictures here. But in case you want a different picture that is in your system, you can click browse. So you go to a picture, maybe you will choose this one now. Click choose picture. Then wait for it to appear. So this particular place here, it actually shows you um how your system is. It shows you how your system is. So if you open it like this, you see that we have changed the background of our desktop. You can choose back the one you want. You can click it back, then it will appear. So it's still processing. You see, it has changed. So that if you want to change your desktop background, then working with diskette and hard drive. A diskette provides the user with means of transferring information from one computer to another. It's also a backup for files. Like if you want to stay out of risks, like you don't like you can carry your CD or your USB and transfer everything that is in your file. You copy them into that CD. In case a day virus enter your computer and there is a need to flash it, there is a need to clear everything. Not be afraid because you already saved everything. You have a copy of everything that is in your system. That CD. That's a backup. So if you delete it, it will not do anything to you. It will not nothing will happen because you know that you have already saved it. It's a backup for you. Then you can format it. How can you format it? You go to your you go to your this PC. Then once you go there, you click on um local disk, which is down here. Your local disk is down here. Then this is your local disk. This one. So let's say there is peradventure there is a CD that is here. Peradventure there is a CD that is here. You installed it. What you simply do, and you want to format it, that's clear everything in that CD. You right click on this DVD RW drive. You right click, then click format, which is on this menu. You click format, then this one they say there is no disk here because there is no disk here. You just right click. Once you click that format, it clears your CD drive. That is a way you can format your diskette. Then bars in window. Bars in window. Bars in window are tabs or bars that are essential for you can use. So our first bar is our menu bar. This displays list of menu options that one can use to open commands. Like if you go to, let's say we go to this place, we go to window. And Word, sorry. We go to Word, we open it. Once we open our Word, then this shows you menu. This is a menu idea, or this like this. You right click, a menu appear. These are menu. It gives you options of what you can do. If you want to customize, delete, cut, copy, move, or do anything, a menu must appear giving you options on what you can do, on how you can do it. If you go here, you wrote something. After writing something, you this is a menu. It appeared, or right click, a menu appeared. These are menus that you can use. So these are our menu bar. We have our toolbar. This display icons that represent commands. One can choose from any of the menu options. So our toolbar are mostly where we use like we use to format, to arrange this work. So let's say we open this now. This appears. We click on this, then this appear. So these are toolbars. This right here are our toolbars right here. So we use it to work on whatever we are doing. They are used to work on our projects or anything. Then our status bar. This bar displays our status information, like this one that is down here. This is our status bar. This is that one that shows slide 22 of 34. It gives you information about your your slide. How many slide is here, how many notes is here, what and what is here. Then we have your scroll bar. I was just like, this. Okay. Your scroll bar is a horizontal or vertical bar that can appear at the lower part or the right part of your window, which is this. This is your vertical bar. You can move up and down with it. Then if we are to show horizontal bar, let's go here. Our horizontal bar. Then this is our horizontal bar. Let's say rewrite something. So a scroll bar is normally added down here. It helps you to scroll, like shift from here to here. So let's say we go here or here, then we have a scroll bar. It scrolls. This is a horizontal scroll bar. It moves it horizontally. Then if you are talking about your vertical scroll bar, this is a vertical scroll bar. It moves it up and down, while horizontal scroll bar moves it left and right. Then um, that is all about bars in window. Paint is considered a graphical application because we use it to draw, manage this. These are paints. We also have a paint 3D and normal paint. So these are normal paint. You can use it to create anything of your choice. You can put it like this, or use can create any graphical object of your choice. Then calculator, you can work with calculator that comes in the window in case you are using your calculator to um, solve issues. You simply do calculator, then a calculator app opens. You find it here. So you see it's normally at by the side. Your calculator is normally by the side. We have different types of calculator. We have the standard calculator. You can use the scientific calculator. In case of science students or stuff, you can use a graphing calculator, programmer calculator, or date calculation. You can convert it to currency, volume, length, and others. So you use it to solve equations. Then we have our entertainment. It's a group of programs that enables you to play audio CDs, video clips, and adjust the speaker volume. Like if you want to watch film, you want to watch movies, you can go videos. You go here, you find some videos here, captures, or you go to we have these videos. These are videos that are here, so it enables you to watch videos, do adjust volumes, and play your CD, video clip, and others. So imaging is more advanced graphic program. It's helps you see your image like photos. If you go to your photo, you see your photo here. This is photo. You can see different photos that are here. If you open it, once you open it, you see photos that are here. You can see showing some photos that are here. So it helps you see your photo. You can format that your file. So reasons for shutting down your system. Reasons for shutting down your system before you close it is to protect the hardware from damage. That is for your system to last long. It protects the hardware, the hard disks from damaging. It is essential so that your computer will last long. The general fact is that so that your computer will last long for you, because if without shutting down your system and peradventure there are many apps that are on, you just close your system like that, it will start affecting the hard disks of your system, and from there to start damaging, and your system will not be able to last long as you hope. Then how to add system password. How to add system password. Then you can add system password to your laptop. Simply right click on that laptop, go to you go to settings, sorry. First of all, you go to settings, which is here. You go to settings here, then it opens for you this place. Then you go to account this side, you click on account, you go to sign in option. Sign in options, you see you see options that are here. If you want to use this one as a password for your computer, so we want normal password, we go here, click on password. Then if you want to add your password, just press this icon here, add, to show you something. You now click on the password you want to click. Then here they told you confirm password, you click on it. Then password hint. Your password hint must not be your password. Something that peradventure you forgot your password, something you can use to remember it, that is your password hint. Then you click whatever you can use to remember your password. Then you click next to show you this. Then you click finish. Then your password have a listen your system has a password already. So to check out, that's how you can add your password. Then how to change a password. How to change a password. You can simply go to your start menu, click on settings, then this appear, go to your account, sign in option, and go here. They tell you change. Why they told you change? Because there's already an existing password there. You click on change. They'll tell you your current password is what. You type it in, you do next. So your new password, you type in your new password, you confirm your password, then your password hint. You click on next and finish. It has already changed your password. So to confirm that, then that's how you can add your system password, to change your password, sorry. Then so how to remove password. How you can remove your password. How to remove password. You go to start menu, click on settings, you go to account, then click on sign in options, go to your password, you do change, you click on change. Once you click on change, you put your current password, you do next. Then the place that you are to write your new password, you leave it blank. Click on next, then finish. So your password, yeah. So that's how you can remove your system sign-in option. How to remove password. The same way how you can remove your system sign-in option. You simply go to your settings. Simply go to your your start menu. Click on settings as usual. You go to your account, sign-in options. Then click on it. If there is a password there, you click on it. First of all, they tell you so let's change our password. You put your current password, then click next. This is a menu. They ask you to put your current password, your new password you want to put. You click next without adding anything. You then click finish. That's how you can change your system password. Then how to change your mouse cursor. How to change your mouse cursor. You simply go to control panel. The control panel, you double click on it. Then you go to hardware and sound. Click on hardware and sound. You go to device and print and click on mouse, which is here. You click on it. It opens this for you. So you want to find out how to change a mouse cursor. You go to pointers, which is here at the pointers tab. Click on it. Then if you want to use any of these, you use customize, go back, click on any of your choice, any arrow that you feel you like, you click on it. So these are almost all arrows that are here. So let's say we click on this one, if you noticed, our arrow changed, our default arrow changed like that. So this is how you can change your mouse cursor. How to change time and date. How to change time and date. You simply go to your start menu, click on settings. Then once it appears, you go to time and language. Click on it. Then you click on date and time, which is where we are already. Then move down. So you move down, already down. Then this is where you can click if you want to change your time or date. You can go here. Then this is our current time and date. This set, so we can maybe do off this set time automatically. Go to change, then go here, September. If you want to change to any month that you're currently on, you click on it. It's October, you click on it, you do change. Once you did change, it's already changed here. So it's already changed. Yeah. If you noticed, we are in October 5th, 2025. If you want to change, you go back, put September. If you want to change the time, you can go and change the time. Click on change and it automatically change. That is how you can change time and date. How to uninstall programs in Windows. We go to our settings, then we go to apps, then go here. As you are scrolling down, you see different apps that are here. Maybe if you click here, they'll show you uninstall. If you want to uninstall them, you click on it, it uninstall. Anyone you want to uninstall, once you click on it, it's uninstall it immediately. If you want to uninstall it, you uninstall it. So that is how you can uninstall programs in Windows. So this is all, and these are all changes you can make in your window. That's why in the beginning we said that window is all about how you can change your, how you can do most common tasks, how you can change, set your desktop, your computer, how you like, how you feel. So that is it.